Let's go for my 6 blades again. While the kids scream in the street, we'll try and look on things in a whole new light, and we'll just get by without AdSense or PayPal. So, here's my prize from Chris. Sheepdog knives. Did that rhyme? I think it did. Right. Open it with a knife, because I have control of this. Electronic balance actuated cash transfer relish. Now this was something that Sheepdog Knives, Chris, did for National Knife Day in America, I think August 24th, and he basically did a sort of a out of a hat thing for those who had liked his page. And it went to an England person, went to a limey. Oh dear. Congrats on winning the free knife. It's $10.95, tiger stripe scales, and G10 beads. Little beads. Enjoy it, Chris, from Sheepdog Knives. I will enjoy. It's a blade. And not only that, it's not a production blade. It's a custom. So we'll go to bead first. Bloomin' heck, that's heavy and dense. I just kicked my own camera. It must be cocking up because it's electronic. Try again. I'll try me light. Light. Beep. Oh, that's beautiful. That's pretty weighty too. That's lovely. Kill me light a minute. I'll blind myself. It's a beat. Oh, there's another one in there as well. Big orange stripe on that one. Oh, they're lovely. So I've got 2 beads for lanyards or something. Great. For the blade. Oh! Oh god, it's a light on that. God, it's really heavy. Kydex sheath. Oh, that is really heavy. Oh, it's got oil on it. Sheepdog knives. Looks like he's numbered that. Looks like number 12. Lucky me. That is lovely. So knock the light off a second. That is really sharp. Really sharp. Paper! Chuffed to bits with that. That's cheered me up for my miserable week of things bugger up. So kydex sheath. God, there are amount of rivets in that. So, thank you, Sheepdog Knives. Scott's got a lovely tiger stripe, tiger effect. I'm up again. Scott, what's explained? Shout out to Sheepdog Knives. Look at that, that's sweet. Oh, that's really sweet. Go find some of the cut. Catch you later.